Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Awak baik-baik ya iriamika na ikan lang hados lagya yo sarung bukan bukana naiman wayo chongpya
Ka Kiang Nangbah Government College Hinin kasngi kalapanlang ya ka annual freshers meet 8,000 aphoar ne ka jing Pdiang ngau bhai ki Samla Pule Thymmai halor ka phang coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Ya ka jing lang lapanyai da ka Kiang Nangbah Government College Students Union ha Kiang Nangbah Government College Auditorium Hall. Hakani kasngi lawan penshngani ke Samla Pule daka jingdon lang menteri katnat Pule Puthi kasor kar jilla uba lakmen rembui UMDC ka Jowai Central uba Andrew Shulai ki nong hikai bat ke Samla Pule ka principal jong ka Kiang Nangbah Government College ka Dr. E Embla ha ka jingkren kala penshngau ya ka jingkmen ban Pdiang ngau bhaya barok ki Samla Pule ki barang shuwan Thymmai ha kani ka college Bat ka ay jingkermen ru ya barok ki Samla Pule bakin kiu shaprang ha ki jing Pule ki jongki.
The time has arrived that you should prepare yourself to face this challenging world. School education has teach you how to move forward. Your teachers have groomed you in your elementary schools, higher secondary schools, how to face the challenge in this competitive world of college life. The first problem you face, many of you, is whether I will get admission or not. Your mindset is not settled until and unless you are assured to get a seat. And you are very lucky this year that through the intervention of the government of Meghalaya, that you are exempted from CUET UG. Just imagine that if you have to undergo that test till date, you will not be assured where is the place to study or whether you could continue or not your education. But as I said, because the government of India have accepted this year that you are here today. My dear friend, that is the first challenge. And you will overcome that challenge only through your hard work. In the higher secondary stage. And now you have to prepare yourself. What next? Don't only think about your semester. Think about how to prepare yourself to face the CUET of PG if you really want to continue your higher studies. So this preparation help you in empower you psychologically, mentally, and life with purpose. So my dear friend, challenge is plenty. As I used to say, that adversity is a mother of invention. The saying says that. And problem also opened a new opportunity. If you see that problem as an obstacle, then you need to introspect. But identify the problem. If you try to find the solution to the problem, you are part and parcel of the catalyst to solve the problem. Problem is plenty. Problem is faced by everybody, not only by the people in the helms of affairs or by the student community, but even in the family also. We have our own personal problems, and nobody could solve the problem only by you yourself. I used to say, even me myself also, I cannot satisfy my own needs, nor I could satisfy or follow what I want to do. You also, you have to face so many problems. You want to study at least 6-7 hours a day, but some part of your body or your mind don't want to study. You end up studying at least 2-3 hours a day, so that we could overcome the problem. So, because if our mindset is programmed only to go to college, to go to school, to get government job, that is not done. Our thought process should be very dynamic according to the situation. Because from class 10 till graduate, postgraduate and all different lines, in the state of Meghalaya, about 35,000 youth are passing their exam from class 10 till postgraduate. And do you think that there is a government job for these 35,000 youth a year? But where all these youth go? It is their skills, it is their intellect which they have in them, and it's the learning which they got from the college, from Kiang College, the education which they got from the community that helped them to stand in their own faith. So that's why don't ever lose hope. Life is full of opportunity. Whoever thought that Lakadam Sunrise could be marketed from Maugayao, Maukandek, and it will reach different parts of the world? Whoever thought that you could learn something from other university of the world without stepping out of the shore of our motherland, India?
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.